is Gemma here from Jessie's Cafe in my room, and I'm here to show you just a short video of how to use our AeroPresses here that we sell, paired with our beautiful signature and our buzzing blend. This is the equipment here that you get in your pack. So firstly, I'm going to show you just to start warming up your equipment. So using hot water from the kettle. Okay. This here is your plunger, which you'll use through the chamber. There. Now, if you turn your chamber upside down, you do have a filter cap. In your pack, you have a pack of 350 filters, which are paper. Put a sheet of that inside. It's also good to give that a quick rinse with water, just to get that paper taste out when you make your coffee. Okay, I'm then going to put that filter cap back on and turn it up this way. Now next, you'd grab your mug, which you wish to put your coffee into, and you place that on top. I've just got some, you then grab your scooper. I've got some pre-ground coffee, which you can grind here in the cafe. So this works out to be about 17 grams of coffee, which works out to be just under one full shot here in the cafe. That goes straight into the chamber there. You'll notice there's some numbers here, so starting from 1, 2, 3, and 4. For a full cup of coffee, what you do is you pour hot water straight into the chamber. I like to go all the way up to the 4th, just to get a full cup. And now just give it a quick stir with your stirrer. You then grab your plunger and you just insert that from the top. Okay. I usually like to wait about 30 seconds to a minute, depending how strong you like your coffee. Once you then allow that to rest, you then start to softly apply pressure down through the chamber. And as you can see, the coffee's dripping down into the cup. Keep going, and towards the end, you'll start to hear a hissing sound, which means that the air has come all the way out. There we go. That's where the coffee's all the way through your extraction, all the way into your cup. There you go there, a nice hot cup of coffee. You can add your sugar or milk as to how you like it. Thank you very much. Enjoy.